Here's how we made an epic commercial for a bowl of ramen using the Nikon Z6III. Thanks to the Nikon Z6III's incredible low-light capabilities, we were able to get clean, rich shots like this. The lightweight and compact body of the Z6III made it easy to rig up for our overhead shots. Using the NIKKOR Z 105mm f2.8 macro lens is a perfect way to capture those dramatic details. The Z6III's 6K resolution makes it easy for you if you need to punch in or reframe in post. While the macro lens was great to capture those stunning details, we also used the NIKKOR Z 28-135mm f4 power zoom lens, both for its versatility and for the ability to smoothly zoom in. Our go-to slow-mo option was the 4K 120 frames a second mode, giving us dramatic, slow-motion shots like this. Feeling inspired by any of this? Be sure to share your shots with us using the hashtag NikonCreators, and show us your epic shots.